Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick rundown instead of typing it all out. I want to show you guys how I wrote this entire article via AI pretty dang quick. This is an advertorial for a foundation company. They do they do foundations and skin foundations, and so I write these sort of top five best skin contour bundles, all this crap. I'm going to show you how I wrote a separate article that they haven't developed yet, but it's the same exact thing. But I just thought, seeing I have all the windows open, I'm going to show you how I did it. So, I mean, lucky for me, I've written this article tons of times in terms of different products, different brands. And so I have a pretty good idea of the format of this, but I'm tired of finding all the products, writing the review. And then there's this sort of third end sell, which is okay, why did we pick the top brand to be ours? And then it sort of goes through this little story, talks about some different people. You have this, how does it work, the results, all of this. I need to, do all of this. So what I do is now this is all loaded in a Google document so I can easily copy paste things and whatever. So here's the one that I just finished for foundation sticks. So I'm going to show you with Bard. I do it with ChatGPT usually, but if for some reason it wasn't working, but the prompts are the same. So basically, I start with the article title, Top 5 Perfect Finish Foundations. And the prompt is write an article titled that, include an introduction and 5 real products with links. Each product should have 2 positive aspects and 3 negative aspects. Keep the tone light and funny. I choose positive and negative. We want more negative just because we don't want people to actually buy the other products. We want them to buy ours. So then it writes the whole thing for me, positive, negatives. I take those positive and negatives and I just take out the positive negative piece and I just make it one full paragraph. So it's just a little nicer for me to look at. Okay. And then did this little conclusion. Then I wanted it to write specifically uh, this brand, which is the brand that I'm working for. I wanted them to write a big sell for this one. And I wanted them to include this secret 50, and I wanted them to kind of keep the tone of what I usually do. So then I went to an older one that has already a review written, and I go into Bard and I say, use the review for this, write a review for this product, which is the product I'm doing. And I give them the links so it can see the link. Use the format below. Make sure to include a mention of the secret 30, no more than 350 words. So this is the example. So then I put example review to mimic. So I give it the exact example and then it writes it for me. This was too long. I didn't like this. It was too much. I don't like these bullet points. It's harder to read. This whole crap is annoying. So instead of, all I had to say is rewrite the above review. Do not use bullet points and make it a third as long as it is. So then, ooh, beautiful. Only 115 words. It looks nice and tight. That's what this is right here. Then these have this bottom cell, which is like kind of the bigger focus of how to sell it. So then I basically did the same thing. Write a similar testimonial review. Oh, actually, I did it and I didn't like it, so I did a different one. I did a different prompt here. Mimic this format with similar headers, but replace the current product, complexion defense, with the product, foundation stick, and I gave the link. Use the same headlines, but make the body of each paragraph reflect the features of the product. Include a small section on how to use the foundation stick as well. So then it basically took the exact copy of this one below and just kind of angled it towards this product, and it did a really good job of that. That's all I needed to do. I wrote this thing in probably 15 minutes. These usually take me about 3 hours, and then I just had to find images and I sent it to my developer and he did it for me. So cool, guys. Thanks for listening. I hope that gave you a little education for today.